For homeowners living in hot, humid climates, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment can be a constant challenge. High temperatures and excess moisture in the air can make homes feel stuffy, increase reliance on air conditioning, and affect overall indoor comfort. While many factors contribute to proper airflow, the type of windows installed in a home plays a significant role. Slider windows have become a popular choice in warm, humid regions because they are specifically designed to promote ventilation and improve air circulation. Their simple operation, wide openings, and practical design make them an effective solution for homeowners seeking better airflow throughout their living spaces. Maximizing airflow with a wide opening. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is their ability to create a large opening for fresh air to enter the home. Unlike some window styles that only allow partial ventilation, slider windows feature one or more sashes that glide horizontally along a track. When opened, they provide a generous opening that encourages a steady flow of outdoor air into the room. This increased airflow can help replace stale indoor air with fresher air from outside, creating a more comfortable living environment. In hot and humid climates, improved ventilation can make rooms feel less stuffy and more enjoyable during milder parts of the day. Encouraging cross-ventilation. Cross-ventilation is one of the most effective ways to improve indoor airflow naturally. This occurs when air enters through one opening and exits through another, creating a continuous movement of fresh air throughout the home. Slider windows work exceptionally well for cross-ventilation because of their large openings and flexible placement options. When installed on opposite sides of a room or home, they allow air to move freely through interior spaces. This natural circulation helps remove trapped heat and moisture while improving overall indoor comfort. Helping reduce indoor humidity. Excess humidity can make indoor environments feel warmer than they actually are. High moisture levels can also contribute to condensation, musty odors, and general discomfort. Proper ventilation is an important part of managing indoor humidity. By allowing fresh air to circulate more effectively, slider windows help reduce stagnant air and support moisture control. While they do not replace dedicated humidity management systems, improved airflow can contribute to a fresher and more comfortable indoor atmosphere. Easy operation encourages frequent use. A window's ability to improve ventilation depends largely on how often homeowners use it. Slider windows are known for their simple and convenient operation. Rather than lifting or cranking, homeowners simply slide the sash horizontally along its track. This ease of use encourages more frequent opening and closing, making it easier to take advantage of favorable weather conditions. Because they require minimal effort to operate, slider windows are practical for homeowners of all ages and abilities. Enhancing comfort in frequently used rooms. Slider windows are particularly effective in rooms where ventilation is especially important. Common installation locations include living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, family rooms, home offices. In kitchens, improved airflow can help remove cooking odors and excess heat. In bedrooms, fresh air circulation can create a more comfortable sleeping environment. Living spaces benefit from better air movement that helps maintain a fresher atmosphere throughout the day. Their versatility makes slider windows a valuable addition to many areas of the home. Supporting energy efficiency. While air conditioning often remains necessary in hot climates, improved natural ventilation can help reduce dependence on mechanical cooling during certain times of the year. By promoting airflow and helping remove trapped heat, slider windows can make indoor spaces feel more comfortable without immediately turning to the thermostat. Modern slider windows also feature energy-efficient technologies such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, insulated frames, advanced weather stripping. These features help maintain comfort while supporting overall energy performance. Bringing in fresh air without sacrificing views. Slider windows are known for their expansive glass areas and minimal frame obstruction. Homeowners can enjoy improved ventilation without sacrificing natural light or outdoor views. The large glass panels create a bright, open atmosphere while allowing fresh air to enter whenever desired. This combination of airflow, sunlight, and visibility enhances the overall living experience. Many homeowners appreciate the way slider windows connect indoor spaces with the outdoors while supporting everyday comfort. Low maintenance and long-term performance. In addition to their ventilation benefits, slider windows are relatively easy to maintain. Their simple design features fewer moving parts than some other window styles, which can contribute to long-term reliability. Routine cleaning of the glass and tracks is typically all that is required to keep them operating smoothly. Many modern slider windows are also constructed from durable materials that resist moisture-related wear, making them well-suited for humid environments. A smart choice for hot, humid climates. Slider windows offer an effective solution for homeowners seeking better ventilation in warm, humid regions. Their wide openings, support for cross-ventilation, easy operation, and energy-efficient design make them a practical and attractive window option. By improving airflow, reducing indoor stuffiness, and helping create a more comfortable living environment, slider windows continue to be a popular choice for homeowners who want to maximize comfort while enjoying the benefits of fresh air throughout the year.